Ja, så hvordan man bliver. Yeah, no shame in my game. Bitch, you rock the fame. Grinding every single day. Snorting cocaine. Riding dirty nigga, catch a fade. We can trade for life for these brand new frames. A life in pain is what you will gain if you never wake up and shake free the shame of being a peasant of this modern day. I swear I never want to be this way. I swear. But sometimes you just gotta let it skate and let life bring whatever your way. Cause we can't change the time of day. That's the truth spoken in a very simple way. I wish I had the power to delay the pain, but I'm just a simple wordsmith in a way. I hope you can forgive me one day when I'm dead and gone to sit and pray for my return to the stage, wearing gold chains, spitting icy flames, drinking rosé, riding dirty all day, 10 bitches on my arm, feeling okay. Every single day is another day to be thankful of what we got and where we came. In such a short life we overcame time and space with our names imprinted on the rocks of time and age. Stand tall, lift me up, turn down the light, lift your cup, show me the bubble butt, ride my dick like you want me to pop. Now as we lay here, naked and unashamed, feeling each other's breaths, forgetting about all hurts and the pains. I just wish I could stop time and space and stare into your eyes every day. But life is not a fairy tale, it's full of darkness and despair. Let my words echo in your mind as you grind this paper for a longest time, hoping it will change our lives, yeah. But in reality it's just making it worse and won't ever make us feel alive, so it hurts. I just want to spend my life my way. Fuck paper, I'll take rocks over paper any day. Yeah.